Create your wedding magazine at Printpoint.ie in just 3 minutes. Pick your package, minimum 5 copies, hit Get Started and choose your cover design. Remember, every cover is fully customizable, so don't worry at this stage, everything can be changed later. Let's pick this design here. Choose Automatic Layout, upload your photos from the folder you've selected for the magazine. Depending on the internet speed and how many photographs you have, this might take a few moments. Once your photos are uploaded, select your images, choose the layout and click Apply. And just like that, your wedding magazine is created. Now, the fun really begins. You can drag and drop photographs, change the cover image, edit the text, change fonts, colors, styles. Everything is customizable. And remember, there is no such thing as a mistake here. The whole idea is to enjoy the process and create a beautiful wedding magazine. One thing I always say, don't leave your wedding photos sitting on the hard drive for 2 years. Create something now, while the memories are still fresh. These magazines makes amazing gifts for parents and family, and they're perfect for the coffee table, something people will actually pick up and look through, instead of an expensive album sitting on a dusty shelf. And remember, our magazines are laminated, professionally printed here in Ireland, and made to last. The cover is ready, you can scroll through the pages and continue editing. At this stage, you can swap photographs, rearrange pages, and even add extra spreads if needed. Just remember, spreads need to be added 2 spreads at a time. You can also save your design and come back to it later. You don't have to finish everything in one day. That's why it's important to create an account before starting your design. All your projects will be safely saved in your profile. Once you're happy with everything, click Preview. Now you can flip through your magazine page by page and make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. When you're ready, confirm your design, proceed to the checkout, and your custom wedding magazine will soon be on its way.